Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS Super Sport car, real 168 VIN, real deal Super Sport car. Beautiful black paint, sitting on upgraded wheel and tire package. Beautiful straight body. I'm just gonna walk through the car, show you guys the quality of the paint, the shine, really nice. I would say the paint is about 5 to 6 years old. Beautiful reflection, as you can see. Nice chrome. Trim is all nice. Dual exhaust on the car. Okay, that's just a little water drop. We just finished detailing it. Nice chrome handles. Red pinstripe. This can come off if needed. Okay, that's if you wanted to. But it's sitting really nice. Nice front chrome bumper and grille trim. Give you guys a look at it from this angle. Let's check out the engine compartment. Alright. This is a 283 motor. As you can see, you got power steering, new booster for the power disc, and the brakes are cross-drilled, as you can see there. Chrome alternator, no overheating issues. Slotted valve covers. Edelbrock 4-barrel carb. Factory A-arms. All the hoses have been gone through. AC Delco battery. Fluids have all been gone through as well. Okay. Let's check out the interior. Cool vent windows. Old school air conditioning. Door jambs look good along with the leather stripping. Panels are nice. Okay, there's your 168 VIN, which shows it's an SS car. That's how you decode it. Inner outer door jambs are nice. Bucket seats. Factory bucket seats. Factory center console. Automatic shifter. Great dash pad on the car. Headliner is tight, and as you can see, the lights do work there. Okay, beautiful back seats. Very nice. Car is showing 64,977 miles. Rubber floor mats. Couple pumps. Even the cold light is working. Isn't that cool? All right. That's a nice stance, and it sounds great. Stock manifolds. Sounds good. Got an automatic transmission. Let me shut this off real quick. Alrighty. So every car here at MGM Classics goes through our pre-delivery inspection. We do this because these cars come with no warranties, okay? When we buy them, there are no warranties. When you buy them, there are no warranties. But when you do buy them from us, we tell you about the car, okay? So anyway, telling you about the inspection. The body bushings are good. We checked them out. It's got Flowmaster mufflers, okay? It's a black on black car, as you can see. Headlights function, turn signals work, brake lights function, wipers work. The radio is inoperable. The horn functions. The heater functions. It's a factory 283 motor with an automatic transmission, open 10-bolt rear end. We check the oil, we check the coolant, we check the brake fluid, we check the power steering fluid, we check the transmission fluid. Now the car is roadworthy and ready to enjoy. The speedometer does function, the temp gauge does function, the oil pressure gauge does function, the fuel gauge does function. And by the way, the trunk on this car is super, super clean and restored. You can check out the photos on our website. It does have a spare tire. The odometer reading is 64,976 miles. And it seems to be original sheet metal on the vehicle. Let's see what else on the car. Okay. So that's the information on our inspection. If you guys and gals need financing, get a pen handy. And if your credit score is between 600 and 739, you will need about 10% down. There are no prepayment penalties for your loans, okay, at all. But you will need 10% down. Terms are, 24 months, 36 months, 48, 60, 72, 84, 120, 144, and also a 180-month term now. We got these long terms to keep your payment as low as possible, so you have options for your loans, okay? So if that's you and your credit score is between 600 and 740, go to mgmclassiccars.com. Fill out the application under the Finance tab. For those of you who have a credit score of 750 and higher, rates are a little better. You will need no money down. I mean, you could put money down to keep your payment lower, but it's a no money down option. No prepayment penalties as well. And those terms only go up to 84 months, which is a long time. So again, if your credit score is 750 or higher, go directly to lightstream.com and fill out the application. Now, if you're looking for credit, please make sure this car is still available before you do an application. And how you can do that is I can give you my text number and you can text me or call me. I prefer texts. I will be getting back to you a lot quicker. So if you have a pen handy, I can give you that information shortly. If you need delivery, it's not a problem. We also can deliver the car right to your driveway, and we are insured right to your driveway for the purchase price of your vehicle, okay? And I'll give you my number again. My number is 847-848-1850. Send me your zip code, I'll get you a quote. So if you guys are watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel in the bottom right of your screen. I got something pretty cool coming tomorrow. I do these videos every day here at MGM, so I am pretty busy on my phone. So please text me if needed. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it with your friends, guys. These are tangible assets. These are great investments. As you can see what these prices, how high they've gone in the last 5 years. That means your investment will increase as well. So get into the game, okay? If you're an enthusiast, this is a great car. It's very easy to start, very easy to drive. It's got all the power options, the power steering and the power disc as well. Buckets console. Real nice black on black 66. Not a lot of them are out there in this color combo, so take advantage. We have this thing priced very good right now, and sweet financing as well. So again, let's see, we talked about transportation, financing, delivery, the car, the application. For those of you who don't need financing, not a problem. Just text me your zip code and I'll get you a quote. MGM is located here in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport and 45 minutes from Midway. We do welcome you guys to come see the cars for yourselves as well, or we can deliver it right to your driveway. So again, my number is 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.